this NaCl is not produced in the lab because it is easily available out of the sea. That the sea contains a lot of NaCl, so it is extracted or it is taken and purified from there. So let us see how it forms NaOH. This NaCl, we call it hydrolysis of NaCl. That is, when we have an aqueous solution, that is some common salt and water, we don't call it hydrolysis, we call it electrolysis. So this water and NaCl, that is the solution of common salt, is taken and electricity is passed through it. So what will happen is that this NaCl will break up into its ions, and the ions will react with the what happens is that NaCl is already broken up into ions, but water will break up into ions due to this electrolysis. So it forms NaOH, it forms H2, and it forms Cl2, two gases, and Cl2 is formed at the cathode and H2 is formed at the anode, and NaOH is formed near the cathode. So we can separate out all these three components, and this reaction is very important because it generates your NaOH, H2, Cl2, and all these three are very important for the for various purposes. We'll see. What H2 is important for? It is first of all used as a fuel. It is used in welding. You have a hydrogen oxygen flame for welding, and it is used for many other purposes. Its main use is that of fuel. That it is now coming up also as a fuel. I mean, it is not developed properly right now, but it is being used in few places, and it is coming up as a fuel, as a substitute for your petrol and all these stuff. Chlorine, we know in swimming pools you have chlorine water. It is also used as a disinfectant. And it is also used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, you must have seen your powder, your white colored powder. When you want to bleach your clothes, you want to make them white, you use this bleaching powder. And the interesting thing is that H2 and Cl2 will react to give HCl. And HCl is obviously very important. You must have seen that you have these acid bottles to clean your bathrooms, to clean tiles and these kind of stuff. Because HCl is an acid, it corrodes away the dirt present on the tiles, tiles and stuff. So this HCl is used for cleaning purposes, and then it can be used for the manufacture of other products also. So HCl is again a very important chemical for us. And NaOH is used in the preparation of soap. In the saponification reaction, NaOH is used. So all these three are important, and hence this reaction is very important because it generates three products which can all be exploited for various uses. Now let us see what is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is nothing but calcium hydroxide reacted with chlorine gas. So this will produce CaOCl2 plus what else will it give? H2O. Now you have slaked lime, which is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is slaked lime and calcium oxide is called quicklime. So you have this slaked lime, you pass chlorine gas through it, and then you get this product CaOCl2, and this is your bleaching powder. And this bleaching powder is again used for various purposes. First of all, it is used as a disinfectant. Because bleaching, it has this property of killing the germs present in the water. So it is used as this disinfectant. It is used in swimming pools also. Swimming pools, they just don't have chlorine water. They also sprinkle some bleaching powder around the swimming pool. And of course it is used for your clothes and all, bleach. Secondly, it is used as an oxidizing agent. It is an excellent oxidizing agent. And thirdly, it is used in the clothes, for wood pulp. All these are washed with bleaching powder. To make that wood pulp, you have to make it white to make the paper. So to make it white, you need this bleaching powder. So, and it is, I mean, clothes and textile are the same. So clothes, wood pulp, these industries, it is used.